Hello and welcome to our next video, the exercise solution for the diagrams, for the diagram exercise. So let's face the task. So we need to create a line chart for the turnover and profit of Tesla. Here I selected the data, then go to Insert, select the line chart, the type you want to have, then a little bit of formatting. You can format it as you wish. So for example, I want to have it in black and also as an header as entitled Tesla, and I also want to have this axis in a different way, so potentially this way. And here do I want to have lines, for example, here more detailed grid lines. Yeah, that was the first task. The next task, we need to create a line chart for the regional sales of Bayer, German company, not doing so well currently. And then we can format it as we wish. Don't know. Revenue share instead of revenue. Different colors. And also some labeling. Here, labeling in the center. But format the label that it has percentage with 0 decimal places. And as you can see, it automatically was updated there, and you have the exercises and the diagrams created and done. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next course part.